Alright guys, I told you yesterday that I was gonna be on the roof. Well, I am gonna be on the roof. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is from the wind the other day. Let's assess it. Go up there and take a look at it. Windstorm can be nasty, guys. I can't believe it took a big section of our shingles. Okay, so I'm hoping we have some of the leftover shingles. Boy. Alright, so I've got a few. Alright, so let's go get some nails, or go see if we got some nails. Alright, so the wife left some nails. There's some nails. Alright guys, so I'm down here at the shop to pick up some of the tools for the shingles. When you need a tool that you've seen a while back, you can never seem to find it. Fixed it. Well, fixed it the best that I could, and before it got cold and rain and snow, get on top of it. So I'm done with that. Not my favorite thing to do, guys, is be on the roof and shingling. That's why I never got into this kind of work. But when you own your own house, sometimes you got to do what you don't like to do. So let's throw these away. So what I did was just use new ones where I needed to. These ones will pull out pretty good. So yeah. Alright guys, let's get off of this roof. I don't like being up on where I'm not grounded. See that, guys? I want to be down there, not up here. Let's get down. You know, sometimes it's stuff that you don't want to do, but you do it. And when you start, it always feels like you always don't want to do it, because it's nothing that interests you and it's something that you don't want to do. But when you get done doing it, I don't know about you guys, but I feel good. I feel like I accomplished something. So it wasn't that bad either. Yeah, I was watching Stan's video on Logan Paul, guys. If you guys don't know Stan Genetic, check him out, Dirt Monkey. He shared that video yesterday when he went to visit Logan Paul for 2 days, and it just, you know, what is neat is that, man, being a YouTuber myself, you know, as a YouTuber, I'm not as big as Logan Paul, but to be on that level or on that scale, you guys, it takes a lot of work, it takes a lot of commitment. And as Stan was sharing, those guys don't sleep much. They work 7 days a week. And that's why, you know, a lot of people are successful, is because they put in the hard work in the beginning. Not only in the beginning, but they continue the hard work. It's in their blood, it's in their system, so they can keep doing it. So one advice that I think, or one thing I got out of that video, was that I can relate, man. I can relate. It's, you know, not that I have that much money or following of like Logan Paul or Stan or any other big YouTubers, but when I'm building something from nothing and you see it grow, and all that hard work that you put in, it will eventually pay back. I know it will. So the harder you work, the more you get out of life. I really believe that, guys. I really believe that. So like I was telling you guys yesterday, we'll be adding another business or a service into the shop, and it's something that I wanted to do like 3 or 4 years ago. I contacted this person. I thought they were going to get out of it 4 years ago, and it's nothing big, you guys. It's nothing big, but it's extra stream of income coming in, and it's something that I enjoy. It connects to what I really enjoy doing, and that's fishing. And so we're actually going to be, yeah, I'll just share it to you guys. We're getting ready to sell live bait for fishermen, and I contacted this individual 3 years ago, and I thought they were going to retire then, and they didn't. So then now the guy's getting out of it, so I got a chance to get into it. So I'm going to get into it, and it doesn't take much to have to get this business going. So we got the location ready, we have a place for it, and we just need to get a couple equipments in the shop, and we're ready to run, and some licensing and stuff. So like I said, it's not a big initial investment because we already have everything, and it's just going to create that extra income. So, you know, and we used to go to this bait shop to get our minnows and stuff when we'd go fishing. So I figured, you know, the guy's gonna be done, so I just hopped onto it and gonna take on this new thing as well. So yeah, guys, I'm done with fixing the roof here. Now I'm gonna head up and go see him, look at the equipment and stuff, and chit chat and get some information from him and get this side of the business rolling. So let's go. Bill, the owner of Bill's bait shop that just closed, I mean, his bait shop is just on an honored system. He leaves it open, and people they get what they need and stick money in there on an honor system. This one's the same as that other one?
Hey!
What's up, man?
Not much, man.
What are you doing?
Yeah, just careful.
We got Henning rental over here.
No, Mike caught the post, and I was just like, oh, I wonder if he talked to Bill about that.
Yeah. No.
I don't know, that's the one that goes. You're gonna make sure I got 24-hour access, right?
Well, you call me. Oh, you know I'm always on call.
I know.
When it comes to that. Okay.
Yeah, it's kind of a sad day. It's like, this is the whole reason, one of the biggest reasons I moved into the neighborhood is because of Bill and this bait, man.
Yeah.
Well, that's cool. No, it's a good thing somebody's going to do it. That's a good deal.
All right.
I was kind of worried about that for a
For
minute.
me and Augie, we won't have a place to meet anymore.
What,
Is
three?
the shed going away?
No.
No, that's going to be my hangout.
Yeah, well, oh, right on. Well, anyway, I'll let you guys at it.
All right, we'll see ya.
What?
Any tips or any secrets?
Well, you can come and ask me anytime you want. I can't point anything out. I know that it's a job. I mean, you got to keep the dead ones out. That's half the sale, is keeping the dead ones out.
Okay.
You know, I mean, because you're going to lose a certain amount every day.
Right.
Okay.
All right, Bill. Well, thank you, and we'll talk Tuesday for sure.
Okay.
Like I said, I got a meeting in Olivia.
Yep.
So.
No big deal.
Yeah. I mean, I'd like to get it moving as fast as I can too.
Well, that's how you knew him. Bobcat mowers you got, huh?
Yeah. Who?
Yeah. Jake.
Yeah. All right. So we are heading out.